Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing of this Mini GT 811. It's a BMW M4 Competition in Sakhir Orange. So this car is like, people are like crazy about this car. It just came online and then it went like crazy. People were like, within few minutes they bought everything and I was not able to get my hands on it. So later I looked in the secondary market and found it on a little higher price, and now I know why the people were crazy about this. Let's check the bottom first. So for a 164 car made by Mini GT, honestly they make a lot of details, but this one have a lot more than that. I mean, look at that base. The wheels are threaded. So much details on the base, and the exhaust especially looks so cool. I told you guys before and I'm saying this again, I love when Mini GT or any other brand try to make these little details so beautifully. Let's see if this rolls. We have threaded wheels here. Let's see how they grip. Yeah, it rolls well. Rolls good actually. Rolls really well. So let's put this on a turntable and have a closer look, right? So here is your closer look at this BMW. I really like these wheels of the car. They are star shaped, and then the back have BMW M4 on it, and the exhaust looks cool. The spoiler, little spoiler with the black, is nice. The trim on the side windows, on the front, on back looks really cool. The details on the back windshield or back mirror is really nice, and especially the carbon fiber hood. I really like how they created the BMW logo on the front, and the grille have BMW lines on it. It's very well detailed and a beautiful car actually. The color looks cool on this. It's not exactly red, it's more like burnt orange, but it's a nice color to have a BMW in. So that was your BMW in Sakhir Orange. Do let me know what do you guys think about this car, and do you have it? Honestly, I'm digging this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.